Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English podcast. I am James. I want you to do something for me. Take your grammar book, the one with the difficult tables, the one with the present perfect continuous. Close it, put it away. Today we are going to try a different approach. Think about a baby. Think about a child. Does a child study grammar rules? Does a baby read a textbook before saying mama? No. They listen, they observe, and they copy. This is the natural way to learn a language. It is not about memorizing rules, it is about feeling the patterns. Today, we are going to learn English like a child. We will focus on simple observation, basic needs, and describing the world around us. We will use our double repetition method. I will say the phrase, I will ask you to repeat, and then I will say it again, very clearly, right before you speak. You don't need to analyze the sentence, just repeat it, just be the echo. If you are ready to stop studying and start acquiring the language, please press the like button. It shows that you are ready for a new way of learning. Thank you. Let's start with phase 1, observation. Babies spend months just looking and listening. They point at things. They name things. They don't worry about sentence structure. They just identify the world. That is a big dog. Repeat. That is a big dog. Look at the blue sky. Repeat. Look at the blue sky. This is my hand. Repeat. This is my hand. The car is fast. Repeat. The car is fast. I see a red flower. Repeat. I see a red flower. Simple, right? Now phase 2, action and movement. Children learn verbs by doing. They don't conjugate to run. They just run. Connect the word to the action in your mind. I am walking now. Repeat. I am walking now. I am jumping up. Repeat. I am jumping up. She is sleeping. Repeat. She is sleeping. He is eating an apple. Repeat. He is eating an apple. We are playing together. Repeat. We are playing together. Notice something? You are using the present continuous, I am walking, but you didn't study the rule, you just said it because it felt right. That is the secret. Now, phase 3. Wants and needs. This is the strongest motivation for a child to speak. They want milk. They want a toy. They want to go outside. When you have a need, the language comes out naturally. I want some water. Repeat. I want some water. Give me that, please. Repeat. Give me that, please. I don't like this. Repeat. I don't like this. I am hungry now. Repeat. I am hungry now. Can I have a cookie? Repeat. Can I have a cookie? I want to pause our playtime for a moment. Think back to your childhood. What was your favorite toy? Was it a doll, a car, a ball, a video game? In the comments below, tell me, my favorite toy was... Access that childhood memory and write it in English. Welcome back. Let's move to phase 4, asking why. Children are curious. They ask questions about everything. They don't worry if the question is grammatically perfect. They just want answers. Why is the sky blue? Repeat. Why is the sky blue? Where is my mom? Repeat. Where is my mom? What is that sound? Repeat. What is that sound? Who is that person? Repeat. Who is that person? How does this work? Repeat. How does this work? Now phase 5, emotions. Children are honest. If they are sad, they cry. If they are happy, they laugh. Learn to express your feelings simply without complex explanations. I am very happy. Repeat. I am very happy. I am sad today. Repeat. I am sad today. I am scared of the dark. Repeat. I am scared of the dark. This is funny. Repeat. This is funny. I love you. Repeat. I love you. I love you. The most important sentence in any language, and it has no complex grammar. It is just pure feeling. Phase 6. Trial and error. This is the most important lesson. Children make mistakes. They say I goed instead of I went, and that is okay. They don't stop speaking because of a mistake. You must accept your mistakes too. I make mistakes sometimes. Repeat. I make mistakes sometimes. I am learning every day. Repeat. I am learning every day. It is okay to be wrong. Repeat. It is okay to be wrong. I will try again. Repeat. I will try again. My English is getting better. Repeat. My English is getting better. Finally, phase 7. Storytelling. Children love stories. Once upon a time, stories help us understand the flow of the language. Let's practice some simple narrative sentences. Once upon a time. Repeat. Once upon a time. The sun came up. Repeat. The sun came up. The bird flew away. Repeat. The bird flew away. They lived happily ever after. Repeat. They lived happily ever after. It was a good day. Repeat. It was a good day. You see, you just spoke English for 10 minutes without thinking about a single grammar rule. You didn't think about subject plus verb plus object. You just communicated. When you study like a child, you take the pressure off your shoulders. You allow your brain to absorb the language naturally. Listen to this video again. Close your eyes. Don't analyze. Just repeat. If you enjoyed this natural approach, please subscribe to Talk Easy English podcast. We are here to help you grow from a beginner to a native speaker. Thank you for playing with me today. I am James. Be curious, be brave, and keep talking easy. Goodbye.